3 shot at grave digging in Westmoreland. 3 persons were shot and injured by unknown assailants who attacked a group of people at a grave digging session in a cemetery in Westmoreland on Sunday. Reports are that about 10 a.m. gunmen pounced upon the group at the cemetery in Red Ground and opened fire, hitting 3 of them. The injured persons were taken to hospital for treatment. Their conditions are not considered life-threatening at this point in time. The gunmen escaped in the area on foot. This incident is just one of the many that have occurred in the parish where gun violence has brought the parish's murder tally to 49 since the start of 2018. Ah boy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Peeps, if we're gonna be brutally honest, this is not something that is very surprising, but it gets stranger and stranger by the day, don't? However, we have seen them shut up funerals before, we have seen them shut up nights before, so it was a matter of time for the actual grave digging to fall prey to this level of senselessness, ain't it? We understand that there are sometimes persons who are killed, and based on the nature of their death and the circumstances under which they are killed, orders are issued by whomever that them can't get no burial, them can't get no funeral, and if funeral keep, funeral are going a problem, or night are going a problem. You understand? This could be one of the situations, or it could be just some persons who were involved in the grave digging might be involved in other things. We don't know, but I would caution persons who intend to attend said funeral or night to be very careful. And the truth of the matter is that if I was involved with said funeral or night, I probably wouldn't go. You understand? Because I am not of the opinion that this is finished just yet. I don't know the circumstances under which the person who the grave is being dug for was killed. So I can't speculate or cast any aspersions. You understand? But the thing set away. You understand what I say? No peace in life, no peace in death, innit?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.